the rush. Tonight is when we not drunk enough.
I don't know about this color. I just feel like we'll talk about it when we get home, Sha.
I need you to stay.
Good morning, besties. Good morning. So you saw me pack my bags now. Well, we're going over to go get our hair done. That's why you see me in my little baby fro. We're going to go and get our hair done. The salon I'm going to is at, wait, it's in Lekki phase 1. Make sure you're keeping up and hitting that subscribe button and also hitting the notification bell so you don't get like lost to the sauce. But anyways, let's go. Ayya hair store in Lekki phase 1, and the place is literally every girl's dream. It's baby pink, one of my favorite colors, and it's so aesthetic. Like, I just got my hair, okay, my bundles, and look how cute this bag is. Oh, I'm dying, so cute. Anyways, this is how it comes, right? It comes bundled up in a baby pink baggy. I'm so excited. So bestie girlies, I just got the receipt and I got like 5 bundles and it was 20,300. So they gave me this paper telling me how to take care of the hair and all of that. And yeah, I'm really excited. I'm about to go to the salon. The salon is really close by that I'm using this time around. And yeah, so I'm really excited. Let's go. I'm talking too much, but let's go. So bestie girlies, I have finished up my hair and I'm going back home, and then we'll talk after, you know, I'm home and settled and relaxed and all of that. I'm really tired. It took more than I expected it to take from me, but we moved. So yeah, love my hair. I don't know about this color. I just feel like we'll talk about it when we get home, sha. Anyways. Good morning, bestie girlies. So it's like 2 to 3 days after I got my hair braided from Ayya hair, and it's like it's morning time. So I purposely didn't like take my hair out of like the, what do you want? So I purposely didn't like apply the lotion I was supposed to apply that I got from Ayya hair, because I really wanted to test out these extensions. I wanted to see if they would really go and turn into a sponge after a day or two, or like they'll still be nice and silky and soft even without the conditioner lotion thing. So I'm gonna show you how to apply your conditioner and all of that good stuff. So this is how I sleep in my hair. I put it in a what do you call it? So I pack my hair with this hair tie, right? And then I go ahead and then secure it with my claw clip, because you just need to keep everything in place. And then I put on my satin hair bonnet, so that, you know, we have to use satin so that it just keeps the extensions nice and silky. Because let me tell you one thing about this Ayya hair, right? This Ayya hair, they're very silky. Like you can barely even like hold it in a bun without it just like being all over the place. It's really silky and soft, and it's lightweight. So I'm going to show you how I apply the, oops, so bestie girlies, I'm going to show you how I apply the Ayya hair braid cream. Yeah, it's not a lotion, it's a cream. So this is what it looks like. Make sure when you buy from them, you ask them for the braid cream. So this is the braid cream. It's silky, soft, and it's 250 ml. So our moisturizing braid cream keeps your braids soft and silky. Apply daily on your braids, focusing on the tip. So I got a middle pattern because of, you know, I did the layered look. So let's just get that. This is my braid. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how the lady did it in the salon, because she's a pro with Ayya hair where I got my hair done. So they said take a section, so I'm gonna do just this part, this side, and then I'll leave this side so you guys can see the difference. So I'm gonna take all the lengths that are the same, because I have like a layered look. So I'm gonna take all of them like that. Hope you guys can see. Yep. And then I'm going to take a pea amount, a pea size. Look at this. And it smells really nice. I'm just going to do this. So bestie girlies, can you see the difference? This is the, like, this is the moisturized part, and then this is the unmoisturized part. It's nice and crazy. It's still a vibe on its own. So I'm going to go ahead now and do my other side, and then show you guys the finished moisturized. So bestie girls, this is my finished, look for my maintenance routine with the Ayya hair, using the Ayya hair cream, braiding cream, right? So make sure you ask for that cream when you get your hair, so you can maintain your hair and your hair can last you for as long as you want it to be and still remain nice and silky and very polished. Like as you can see, it's giving very much polished. So in case you miss out on like details on this hair, I used the color Amaka blonde, and I used one bundle of 12 inches, which was 3,900, two bundles of 18 inches, which was 8,000, and Amaka blonde, and two bundles of 24, which was 8,400, and my total was 20,300. I still have one bundle of hair. I used a total of 4. I used one bundle of 12, two 18s, and one 24. Yeah, so this is the color, so pretty and nice. I love this. So bestie girlies, let them know Emem Ene sent you if you're gonna be copying your Ayya hair. I'd really love to see the bestie girls rock and slay this hair, especially this Amaka blonde color. I feel like she's so cute. Like she's definitely me. Like she just matches my skin tone so good. It's not too bright, and it's not too like dark. I still get the effect of like blonde hair. So bestie girlies, thank you so much for joining me in this vlog. I hope you enjoy. All the details on my hair will be in the description box, so make sure you're checking the description box for all the details. And thank you so much Ayya hair for partnering with me in this video. And with all of that being said, I'll see you in my next video. Oh no, wait, I'm gonna show you guys my hair when my makeup is done so you guys can see what it's giving. Okay, just hold on.